honestly, I need to tell you something. You need to know what new car you need to buy in 2025. Okay, let's get into it. But first, we will need a little bit more light. If you are looking for a new car this year, this is what you should buy according to mechanic opinion. Let's talk about small and compact cars. First, I do not recommend you to buy a new small car because they lose value very quickly. And the price difference between a small and a big car is about 10%. So you are not really saving much money by doing it. If you really need a small car, you live in the city, or it is maybe your second car, then in this case I would go to official dealer and look for a car which is 3 to 5 years old, still in the warranty, and has less than 50,000 miles. I would recommend you Toyota Aygo or Honda Civic or something similar. Don't go for hybrid or electric cars. Next is normal family car or primary car. Honestly, I do not believe in this. For many reasons, I would go for 4x4 or SUV. It will cover all needs you have. For example, Highlander, 4Runner, Hyundai Santa Fe, Tucson. From US cars, probably Traverse, Tahoe, Superban, Blazer, little smaller. But don't buy Hondas, they are sadly not good anymore. You can buy old Hondas, but not new ones. If you need a pickup, go for Hilux, Taco, Tundra. They are all amazing cars and have been refreshed recently. Anything what your budget allows. If you are looking for a van, I would highly recommend you Hyundai Staria. This is a van which I personally have. They manufacture it as a hybrid or normal diesel or petrol car. I have diesel version. I am totally in love with it. I drive it every day and I have a review about this. Look, go check my previous episodes. If Staria is not an option for you, I would go for some classic van like Iveco with 3 seats in front. Just make it yourself comfortable, build it better. However, what I found the most recommended car is ID Buzz. I don't know why. I understand that Volkswagen has deep pockets and commercials everywhere, but come on. Let's talk about sport and fun cars. If you need a small race car for every day, I can highly recommend you Hyundai i30N. This is the car I have, I own, I race it every day. This is the most amazing car. For this money, you have so much fun you would never believe. One day, I promise you, I will make a review about this car. If you want or need a real sport car, then go for Corvette, the last one. Okay, I know that they are not so good as the old ones, but still they are very amazing. You should go for it. What car I would buy if I had all money in the world? I would go and buy Tatra with 6 or 8 wheels and make the best off-road camper in the world. If you are looking for the best car for apocalypse, Tatra would be your best option. You can drive over zombies and anywhere. Highly recommended. Once Tatra built in the 80s a big camper van and they traveled all around the world. This is my biggest inspiration. One day. If Tatra is too big for you, then go for Mercedes Unimog. They're amazing and awesome, and I drove many of them. My ultimate vision and dream is that people would be able to buy old cars from the 80s and 90s, but as new cars. That somebody would, for example, restore old cars or manufacture them new and make sure that people can buy all the spare parts for the next X years. I would love it. This is my ultimate dream. I would also like to restore some Toyota Hilux and make sure that all spare parts are available forever and ever. This is a great idea for you. If you have a good mechanic, tell him to build you old new Forerunner. This is what was buzzing me all the time. This is the reason why I couldn't sleep. Now I told you everything I wanted to say. It's time to go to bed. So let me know if you need old new Toyota 4Runner. I wish you a good night. See you next time. Bye bye.